This is the drive that we pulled off of that boat over there, and it quit pulling. Go ahead and move your finger. And that's basically what we've seen come out of it, is just solid water. And as you can tell, the gears are just mush. And you got the bearing also. And there's a magnet with metal shavings. So this one's getting a new upper at least. And then we'll pressure test the lower to see if the lower is the cause of getting the water in. But you can see that bearing is just completely gone. And the gears are gone too.